Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone and scroll to Accessibility to start. Tap Touch under Physical and Motor Settings to continue. Select Assistive Touch and flip the toggle to enable the feature. The floating button appears immediately on your screen and is ready to use. Next, tap Customize Top-Level Menu to change what the button shows. Choose the plus sign to add another icon and select Home from the list provided. Return to the Assistive Touch settings to customize your home action. Tap Single Tap and choose Home for a one-touch return to the home screen. For double tap, choose Home or App Switcher, depending on your preferred workflow. Assign long press to Home or to Siri based on how you use your device. Use 3D Touch if available to add another shortcut for home or accessibility features. Each assignment saves instantly, so you can test the act. To place the floating home button, touch and drag it to any convenient screen edge. Position it near your thumb for one-handed reach and consistent access across apps. If the button distracts you, open Assistive Touch settings and lower idle opacity to 50%. This keeps the button visible while reducing on-screen prominence during use. Tap the button to reveal the Assistive Touch menu or perform your configured single-tap home action immediately. Practice dragging and tapping until the button feels natural and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.